Welcome back. This video will teach your child how to manage stairs safely using crutches. We will cover going up a step, non-weight bearing, and weight bearing is tolerated before moving on to stairs. Move close to the step. Lead with your good leg, followed by your crutches and your sore leg. To go down, lead with your sore leg and crutches, followed by your good leg. If your child's bone doctor or orthopedic surgeon has said you can put weight through your foot, always keep your crutches and your sore leg together. Similar to non-weight bearing, although you can put some weight through your sore leg, which will help your balance. Lead with your good leg, followed by your crutches and your sore leg. Get your balance at the top of the step before stepping down, leading with your sore leg and your crutches. Follow with your good leg. Use this advice for not just going up steps or stairs, but for also going over curbs near the road. Going up a flight of stairs is very similar to going up the steps with crutches, but going down requires a few more instructions to keep yourself safe. Divide the step in half and place the crutches on the outer side closest to the step edge. Place the crutches down, take your weight through your arms and lower yourself down, remaining bent over. If you have a long leg plaster on, you'll just need to keep your leg in front of you the whole time. Some quick safety checks for your crutches is regularly look at the bottom, the furrows, and make sure they're not worn through. Check out our other videos on how to use crutches with kids.